the last half we had the music of Dundonald, which, as I'm sure you'll agree, was really rousing and energetic and is, to capture all the scenery of Scotland. We're going to do the same thing, but in a much calmer way. So the next piece that we're going to play for you this evening is called Perthshire Majesty. It's a very reflective, evocative piece that conjures images of the mountains, the beautiful Perthshire Highlands, the glens, all of the beautiful countryside that your mind can imagine. And tonight it will be featuring, as we've had many soloists this evening, but we've got another guest soloist this evening, which is W2 Blaney on the accordion. He will be doing the solo for us in this piece. So I hope you enjoy. Cast your minds back, let images of rolling glens come to your mind. This is Perthshire Majesty.